Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you an interesting game between me and Grandmaster from India, R.R. Laxman from Chennai. So let's begin the game. I am white here. I played d4, knight f6, c e3, g6, knights f3, bishop g7, g3, castle, bishop g2, c5, knight bd2, b6, c3. See, my pawn structure is very good. These three pawns and these two pawns are very well protected. So here
Nothing. He played bishop a6, trying to threat my rook, and I played rook e1, knight c6.
this bishop is slightly advantage creating because I can't play the rook on f1 because of this bishop, and this bishop is threatening this white square. So I have to play other moves. He played rook c8, bishop b2, queen d7, rook c1, rook d8, knight e5, and now my knight goes into a vital square to control the center and threatening this queen. So he have to take my knight or move his queen. So he played knight e5. I played d into e5, knight e8, f4, f6, and the game now continue like this. It's a 3-minute blitz game, so I am so much happy that I beat this Grandmaster from India. He's also a Commonwealth champion and he's a very tough player from Chennai. And now the knight is threatening this rook, so I have to take my opponent's rook, or I have to take this knight. He captured this rook, and I take this rook, and he captured my bishop, and I captured this c3 pawn. No, if I capture this c3 pawn, then he play this g5 move and take this pawn. So I played here rook c1. I am threatening this pawn to capture. Then I will be pawn up. And this game is winning for me now. I am pawn up here. Check. Now king goes again, check. King goes again, check. King goes, and now I played e6. My idea is to create e7, e8 and queen. He gave me check here. I have to move my queen to h2, move my king to h2 square, and he played bishop g4. This move's idea is threatening this pawn. I can't push this pawn. If I push this pawn, then he will take my queen. So I played here queen e7, queen g5, takes, push pawn, one move queen. You have to stop this queen by this move. He played this move. This is obvious move. And now I played bishop h3. If he takes my h3 bishop, then I will promote this queen here. So he can't take. He played e8, and now I'm pushing my pawn to e5. And black king can't goes here. This check can't goes here. This check. The black king is very weak in this position. And I'm playing like this. And now my game is already winning for me. This pawn unstoppable because h3 square is protected by this bishop, so it can't be drawn. White will win this game so easily. And now I'm going to mate my opponent in few moves like this. The game ended like this. So hope you like my game. Please comment and share to others. Have a good day. Bye.